If you have ever felt your car start to shudder like it is shivering when you try to pull away from a stoplight, you might be dealing with a worn-out clutch assembly. In the world of manual transmissions, the clutch, or the pressure plate and friction disc, are the essential link between the power of your engine and the wheels on the ground. Think of it as a gatekeeper that decides when and how much power gets sent to the gearbox. When you push down on that pedal, you are essentially telling the engine to take a break from the transmission, so you can slide into a different gear without grinding anything. Over time, the material on that friction disc starts to wear down just like the pads on your brakes. If you are the type of driver who likes to launch hard from every light, or if you have a habit of riding the pedal while you are stuck in heavy traffic, you are going to burn through that material much faster than normal. One of the clearest signs that your system is failing is when you step on the gas and see the needle on the tachometer climb, but the car does not actually speed up. This means the disc is slipping because it can no longer grab onto the flywheel with enough force. Dealing with a failing clutch is not something you want to put off, because once it goes completely, you are going to be stranded and waiting for a tow truck. Replacing these components is a labor-intensive job that requires a professional, because it involves separating the transmission from the engine itself. To get the longest life out of your parts, you should try to be smooth with your transitions and avoid using the clutch to hold your position on a hill. Using original equipment parts that match your specific make and model is also vital for ensuring that your gear shifts feel crisp and that the power transfer stays smooth for thousands of miles to come.